Hello little learners, welcome to our zuddytoons. Today we are going on a flying adventure. So are you ready? Let's go! This is a sparrow, small and sweet. It builds a tiny nest for its babies. Wow! Look, a peacock. It spreads its beautiful feathers and dances like a prince. Hello, I am Owl. I sleep in day and wake up at night. Hi, my name is Penguin. I live in a very cold place. It's Antarctica.
Here comes the eagle, the king of the sky. It flies so high and has a sharp eyes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.